I paid strangers to edit my photos from this to this. Do you see any photo here? Yeah, I know it's blurred because that is the ninja technique to make you guys watch the video till the very end. So let's get started. Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Abdurrahman Turkman from Afghanistan, and in today's video I'm going to do something different for you guys. Today I'm gonna hire some strangers to edit my photos. The way this is gonna work is using Fiverr. Fiverr is world's largest freelancing website where you can hire creative people to do something that you don't have the skill set of, or you are too lazy to do it by yourself. And all these Fiverr jobs starts from as low as $5. That's why the name of the website is Fiverr. I myself use Fiverr a lot because it helps me outsource my project or my business. When I have multiple things to do at the same time, I head over to Fiverr and hire some people to help me out my project or my business. Recently, most of you guys were asking me where I make my YouTube thumbnails. Well, the answer is Fiverr. And I will leave the link of the sellers who make my YouTube thumbnails in the video description below, just in case you guys want to check it out. Okay, here's the plan. This is my photo and I want Fiverr people to make it look like this. Yes, the Sachin Tendulkar. He's god of cricket and I'm a huge fan of this man. Now I'm gonna head over to Fiverr and hire some people and let's see who does the best job. Okay, let's go to Fiverr and search for photo editing. I think the genre or type of the photo I want is called digital art. So let's try digital art, shall we? I will do your photo into digital oil portrait art painting. Whoa, that's so mouthful. Let's see. Ooh, I like this photo. I will make an impressive digital painting and art logo. Let's go. Alright, I'm really excited for this one. So let's see. Wow, impressive. It says 1% opaque close-up basic digital painting in one photo, only headshot on A4 size. Let's go with the $25 one. Continue. So far I hired only 2 people on Fiverr. Now let's do something good. Let's hire newcomers or low-level sellers. Because come on guys, we have to give them a chance. They deserve a chance. At this point of the video, I would like to give you some tips on buying services on Fiverr. First of all, try to hire someone in low level or newcomers, because reason number 1, their services are super cheap as compared to top level sellers, and also their work are excellent, top notch. So let's hire someone newcomers or low level sellers. Okay, how do I sort this newest arrivals? Okay, most of these guys don't even have a single review. So I'm gonna choose them by looking at their thumbnails. For $5, he's gonna design only one photo in 1 day delivery with 1 revision. That's not bad. So let's go with this guy. Continue. Okay, I will make a beautiful digital art painting and portrait. Wow. For $15, can you see that? As cheap as $15. Come on, man. He's also providing source file. Why not, bro? Come on, let's go. Continue. Okay, I'm gonna hire one last guy, but this time I'm gonna hire an expensive one. I just wanna see cheap versus expensive service on Fiverr. So let's find someone who's offering same service with a little bit extra money. How do I sort the budget? Yeah, okay, here it is. Budget 100 to $200. This one looks very promising. Here it says, I will do everything about graphic design and digital art for you. And more than 700 people bought it. And the rating is 5 stars, which is super impressive. And the price is $130. So why not? Let's go. Okay, his basic package is $40 and he says, must contact me before placing your order. Revisions and source file not included on this pack. That is mean. Let's check his standard package. Must contact me before placing your order. 2 days delivery, unlimited revisions. Okay, which means if I did not like the picture, I can ask them to revise or edit the photo, re-edit the photo to be exact. Okay, he's offering source file, high resolution photo. I'm allowed to use the photo commercially with premium $280. Okay, let's go with the standard one, $130. Let's go. Okay, now all the orders are placed. Now let's wait and see, and I will come back when all my orders are ready and we will review the photos together. After 3 long days, I finally have all my orders delivered. Now let's review these pictures together. But before we get started, I want you guys to help me out with the video ideas. Should I make these kind of videos in the future? If the answer is yes, then what the video should be about? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So let's get started. I'm gonna review these pictures from cheapest to expensive. Okay, let's start with the $5 one. Let's take a look at the picture. Wow, I like the background, especially this yellow ribbon hanging from above, which makes the background look very nice. The picture is good, there is no complaint about it, but I have one complaint though. The shadow around my body is very big, a little bit far. If the shadow was a little bit closer to my body, then the picture would be perfect. After all, I don't have any complaint about this picture because the price of the service is only $5. I cannot expect more than this. So Ahmed, good job. You deserve a 5-star and I will give you 5 stars. Okay, moving on. Next. Okay, next up we have the $15 one. So let's take a look. The one which I'm very excited about. This seller gave me 3 different pictures. So let's take a look at them. This one looks very satisfying than the others. I like how the background is painted. Background is exactly like in the original photo, but my eyes are so small. In real life also small, my eyes, so can't do anything about it. My eyes are like this by default. So, but yeah, can't complain anything about it. So Red Devil, good job. I accept your delivery. Okay, next one is $25. So let's take a look. I like this one. I like this one a lot. The way the picture is painted is very good. What is most impressive is my eyes. This guy added a little bit flare thing on my eye, which is making my eyes a little bit shiny. And he removed these bars from my coat. So this is the same coat I'm wearing right now. So as you can see, there are some lines on my coat, but this seller removed it. Okay, no problem. But after all, good job. I like it. And the last one is very expensive. I paid $130 for this one, and my expectations are very high from this delivery. So let's take a look. This seller attached 2 files. Okay, this is the first photo, and after seeing this, my initial thought was like, nah, kind of thing, because picture is painted very well, no doubt about it, but my forehead and my cheeks are shining, and also there are some lights coming from my right side, which is very good, which is making the picture look very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the second one. What do we have there? Okay, this is the second one, and it's the same as the first one. There's no difference between them. I do want to say that this was waste of money, but at the same time I don't want to, because you know what, these kind of digital arts take a lot of time and effort. I know you might be thinking these kind of things can be done on any photo editing apps like PixArt or Snapseed, etc. I know you are right, but what those apps do is they lower your photo's resolution, but with this you will get original resolution of your photo with editing version. So I'm gonna leave this photo up to you guys. You guys decide whether this photo worth $130 or not. And I will also leave the link of all these sellers in the video description below, just in case you guys want to check it out. So there you have it guys, that was my experience on Fiverr. Please let me know which one of these sellers did the best job. I will put all these pictures in your screen with their price tag. You guys let me know which one of these sellers did an excellent job based on their price. So thanks again for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel with notification on. And I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.